Hey friends, welcome back. Micah here, CEO of Vacation Rental University. And in this module, we have a special treat for you. We've been talking for a while about turns and turn management, housekeeping, inspections, maintenance, all those various tasks, the get your hands dirty kind of tasks. And so instead of just teaching from my experience or even what we do on a regular basis, I thought it would be fitting to bring in true experts. And so we have Kleenerly with us, and you'll see their contact info and their website in the description of this. But Kleenerly has worked with our company Book Urban as well as RealJoy for a few years now. They have done something like 21,000 or more turns here in the last couple of years, and so they're very much experts at this. This is their everyday job, and what's impressive to me about you guys that I've seen is the quality is just through the roof. Okay, so there's no stone left unturned. They catch everything, and it's been real refreshing to see that. And so I thought it would be nice to capture that for our members here at VRU so they can understand how to implement that in their own business, or if they choose, like you guys also teach, how to sub that out to other cleaners and make this more professional. So stick with us. There's going to be a ton of content. We've got hours and hours planned for you to get you through everything from top to bottom, including the basics and definitions of housekeeping if you're brand new. They're also going to tell us their story. More importantly, we're going to have a lot of fun. So these are good friends of mine. Now they're good friends of yours. Please take time to learn from them, and we'll see you in the lessons.